We can use goroutines with channel to share data safely across multiple goroutines. Let's create a function, hello, and let's add parameters to this function. First, give it a parameter counter. Type is pointer type integer. Second parameter is wg, pointer type weight group. In this function, let's call down method on this weight group. Let's increase this counter's value by 1. In main function, let's create a counter variable, give it an initial value 0. Let's create a variable var wg, type is sync the weight group. Let's create a for loop I, give it an initial value 1, I less or equal to 50, I plus plus. In this for loop, let's add 1 to this weight group. So each time this for loop run, we'll add 1 to the counter of this weight group. Then we will create a new goroutine, and in this new goroutine, we will call this hello function and pass its counters and the weight group as arguments in this hello function. Let's call the wait method on this wait group to wait this hello function in each goroutine finish. Last, let's print out this counter's value. In terminal, let's go run. Let's go run again. You can see this time its counter's value is 49. But we call this hello function 50 times, and each time we'll increase its counter value by 1. Its counter's value should be the 50. Because we run this hello function concurrently, it can be two hello function increase its counter's value at the same time. So its value is less than 50. This is a data risk condition. Let's use goroutines with channel to share data safely across multiple goroutines. This hello function, we will remove this second parameter. We will add a request parameter as a channel. And this channel will only receive message. So left arrow chan. And type give it a chan string. In this function body, let's use the for loop and range to iterate over each message from this channel request. In this for range block, we will increase its counter value by 1 each time. Let's create another function, give it a name increase. This function first parameter, let's give it a name request. This request should be a channel, and we will use this channel to send a message and a string to this channel. Second parameter is a weight group wg, and asterisk sync the weight group. In this function body, let's add a defer. We will call the down method on this weight group. Then we will send a message to this request channel. Request left arrow. Let's send a string value increase. In main function, let's create a channel variable. Give it a name request equal to make chan string. In this for loop, we will call this increase function in goroutine, and we will pass this request channel as a first argument and weight group as a second argument. So it will send a 50 message to this channel. After this for loop, let's create a new goroutine. In this new goroutine, we will call this hello function and pass this counter as a first argument and the request channel as a second argument. And then let's call the time sleep function to sleep for 1 second. It can wait this hello function in this goroutine to finish. In terminal, let's go run. Let's go run again. You can see every time the result of the counter is 50, because in this hello function, when it receives message from this channel, it will block, and only one goroutine can mutate this counter's value. so it can avoid data risk condition. We can share data safely across multiple goroutines. This is how we use goroutines with the channel to share data safely across multiple goroutines. Hope I see you next time.